Tell him you love him. Say, I love you, Santa.
The time has come to remove that threat once and for all.
Okay, Santa, she's done. She is saying okay, so she'll be a good girl, Santa. Love you, Santa. Bye-bye, Santa.
2 days after my brother Morgan was
Be
murdered,
good, make a lot of toys at the North Pole.
with
Tell
bullets.
Rudolph to get all shined up with his shiny red nose. Santa said he's got to feed Rudolph some more hay. Here, ask him, say, where's Rudolph?
What's Rudolph, Nana? What's Rudolph?
Is a member of Mike Clanton's inner circle. Absolutely one of the men who had threatened to kill the Earps.
Say, shine his nose, Santa.
He knows what he has.
Santa smells, Nana.
Santa.
Santa. Santa.
There was a running joke in Tucson at the time that Stillwell had been shot so many times they didn't know if they should bury him or sell him for scrap metal.
Say, you're a good man.
For Wyatt, that was a turning point in his career.
Say, Santa, you're a good man.
He had really killed anybody in vengeance.
This wasn't a guy with notches in his gun. Wyatt Earp had spent his whole career as a lawman.
All right, she's really been listening.
Avoiding killing people.
What's
Bye, Santa.